Hi friends, today we are going to draw a baby reading a book, and we're going to start from the head and draw posture. So I've started to show the construction of the body, the whole posture. I'm trying to rough out, bring the whole concept, down. So I think we have our rough sketch. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on the head. So I'll concentrate here to bring out the head properly, how it is tilted. And as you can see, I've gotten our image. The next thing is to start shading. Concentrate on it. I'm going to start from here, start shading the face. We'll come back to you come to the hands. I will just have to add some few details on that. I'll move on to this hand. It's very basic. It just don't have to be something extraordinary. Comes like this, goes like that. I want to shade this hand too. I'll move down to the sheets. I think it's somewhere here. First page. Then I'll start shading. So here you see this letter TV. Let's try and portray that TV. Yeah. So we start our shading of the cover. You see, it all depends on your time. If you have time, you can bring out a lot of details in the image. So the more you spend time on it, the more you get a lot of details in the image. And I think this one, you spend a few time to bring out a little bit of detail to the shading, for you to understand how light and shadow relate. Whereas this one, I'm trying to show the light tones, mid-tones and all that. I'm using 6B pencil, so sometimes where there is a lot of darkness, I need to press a bit hard, so maybe have to add a few energy to get what I want. So here what I will do is I'll bring out this part, which is the leg, shade here, dark. Sometimes when you are shading the feet, especially the hands, you have to be a little bit careful. Almost done with shading the baby. What we are going to continue is to shade the background. But first, I would like to add a few details on the magazine. If you want sharp edges, use your pencil. If you want smooth shade, then you have to use the side of the lead to get a smooth shade. So here at the edges of the magazine, I'm trying to raise the pencil so that it will be sharp. I'm now going to shade the background and I'll make it this way. See, he's sitting. I'll start shading the foreground. And one thing is, I want the background to be dark. We'll have a lot of shades, very deep shades, and that's how I want it. Putting up diagonal strokes to bring out the image. I'm trying to blend the edges of the baby's body. You know, this part to go in line with this. I don't want it to be like, you know, sharp line or there's a sharp contrast between the two. I want it to blend into the skin. So that's what I'm trying to achieve, so that there won't be any sharp contrast. I'll proceed to the top where I'll darken that part too. But I want it to be in a nice stroke. You know, you can create any style of your own depending on the movement that you make or the kind of strokes that you make. This is how I want it to be. You know, very short, light strokes. To bring out the whole image to correct shape or form. Or you can create these strokes, very short strokes. You don't have to be too careful with this. You don't have to be too perfect. So at least you can try something out like this, or you can use the same technique for a tree, a building, or anything else. And I know you love it, and I really love it too. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. draw.This. Thank you. Bye.